Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Did you know? The home of discovery, secrets, and untold stories about the people you love and admire. Today, we dive into a very intriguing and emotional question. Davido's Igbo mother, was she from a rich family? Davido, one of Africa's biggest music stars, is celebrated all over the world, but very little is known about the woman who gave him life, the late Veronica Imade Adeleke. Some say she came from humble beginnings, others whisper that she was born into wealth. But what's the real truth? In this video, we'll explore her early life, her Igbo roots, and whether her family background shaped the journey that later connected her to the mighty Adeleke dynasty. Trust me, you don't want to miss a single detail. So, sit back, relax, and let's uncover this hidden chapter of Davido's story together. Davido. The name alone echoes across Africa and beyond. We know him as the Obio, the Omo Baba Olowo, the son of a wealthy father. But hidden behind the fame, the music, and the flamboyant lifestyle, lies a mystery many people barely talk about. His mother. The woman who gave him life. She was Igbo. She carried roots, culture, and a story that remains untold. But the question today is this: was Davido's Igbo mother from a rich family, or was her background far more humble than many of us imagine? Stay with me, because this journey will reveal secrets, culture, wealth, and heartbreak. Her name was Veronica Imade Adeleke. A beautiful woman, an educator, a university lecturer, and a strong mother. But beyond the glamour of Davido's stage name Obio, people forget that his first nickname was taken from her, Imade. Yes, Davido's first daughter, Aurora Imade, was named after his late mother, a gesture of love and remembrance. But here's the question burning in our hearts: where did she come from? What kind of family raised this woman who would one day give birth to Africa's most talked about superstar? Veronica was Igbo. This detail, though often overlooked, carries a weight of history. The Igbos are known for their resilience, their business acumen, and their quest for education. But when you hear Igbo and Davido, some people instantly assume she must have been from a wealthy Eastern dynasty. After all, how else could she marry into the Adeleke family, one of Osun State's richest households? Or was love the only bridge between her world and that of the Adelekes? The truth lies somewhere between culture and reality. Not much is publicly documented about Veronica's immediate family. This silence raises even more questions. Some whisper she was from a wealthy Igbo lineage. Others insist she was from a modest family, who valued education more than riches. But think about this: she became a lecturer at Babcock University, a feat that requires not just intelligence, but opportunity. Was that opportunity a sign of privilege, or was it pure determination? This is where the controversy begins. Because in Nigeria, education itself is often a sign of middle-class or wealthy roots. When Veronica married Adedeji Adeleke, she stepped into one of the richest families in Osun State. The Adelekes were already powerful in business, in politics, and in influence. Some argue she must have come from her own wealthy Igbo family to be considered a fit match. But others believe love doesn't ask for bank statements, and that her beauty, intellect, and grace were enough to win the heart of Davido's billionaire father. So, was it a union of two wealthy families, or a story of two worlds colliding? Here's where the story twists. If Veronica truly came from wealth, why is so little known about her family's empire? Why don't we hear about Igbo business moguls connected to her bloodline? Could it be that the Adeleke wealth simply overshadowed whatever modest riches she had? Or maybe her family wasn't wealthy at all. Some say, a rich family doesn't keep quiet. Others reply, not every rich family loves the spotlight. The truth? Still hidden. Veronica's life ended too soon. She passed away in 2003 when Davido was only 10 years old. A mother's presence, gone in an instant. Her death left a void not just in Davido's heart, but in the unanswered questions about her origin. And maybe, just maybe, that silence is why her wealth, or lack of it, remains a mystery today. But does it really matter if Veronica was from a rich family? Because what we do know is this: she raised Davido in love, in values, and in education. She gave him the strength that, even in her absence, he carried to global stardom. Her wealth may not be written in banknotes, but it is engraved in the success of the son she left behind. So, was Davido's Igbo mother from a rich family? The answer remains half hidden, in silence, in whispers, in history. But one thing is undeniable: whether rich or not, she gave the world Davido. And that, perhaps, is the greatest legacy of all. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. And of course, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a story from us.